So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add an interactive chart here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, go to the top and press on the purple square. Where it says Discover, below that there's a bunch of different icons. Just slide to the far right and press on the second last option where it says Tables and Charts, and then slide this bar where it says Tables all the way to the right and then select Interactive. Then once you're here, you can actually select a bunch of different interactive charts that you're looking for. You can also go ahead and change the color by just sliding the bar like this. So if you wanted to add this interactive bar chart just like this, you can actually go ahead and see how the results change, and you can make it larger, smaller, do what you got to do. If you want to edit the data and edit the sort of the names right here, press on the chart right here, press on the arrow, then press on edit data or edit series. You can change the information, change the colors, do what you got to do. Go to the top left, press on the check mark right there, and you have your interactive chart just like this. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add an interactive chart here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.